Hello student, I am Dr. Vidita Kumari, Botany Department, SM College Bhagalpur. Email ID Dr. Vinita Kumari 63 alpha gmail.com. WhatsApp number 79922907228. Okay. Today I am here to discuss about the Phaeophyta. Okay. All are hearing? Now introduction. Phaeophyta means the brown algae comprising the class Phaeophyceae are a group of multicellular algae including many seaweeds located in colder waters within the northern hemisphere. Most brown algae live in marine environments where they play an important role both as food and as a potential habitat. Most brown algae contains the pigment fucoxanthin, which is responsible for the distinctive greenish brown color that gives them their name. Brown algae are unique among heteroconts in developing and now salient features of Phaeophyta. Phaeophyta are the most complex forms of algae. The cell walls are composed of cellulose and alginic acid. Unlike green algae, all chlorophyta they are true starch. The food reserve contains sugar, higher alcohol and other complex forms of polysaccharides. Higher Phaeophyta have life cycle consisting of both haploid and diploid stages, referring to as an alternation of generation. The thallus representing haploid stage and diploid stage may be similar or different. They are either microscopic or macroscopic. Life cycle of Phaeophyta differ from one member to another. In higher members of Phaeophyta, life cycle consists of alternation of haploid stage and diploid stage. They can adapt to a wide marine environment, tidal, intertidal and deep zones. They often cause nuisance to aquarium environment by developing brown patches on any exposed surfaces such as glass, rocks or grass. There are 9 orders in Phaeophyceae. First Ectocarpels, example Ectocarpus, Stylopteridales, Stylopteris, Now phylogenetic relationship of Phaeophyta. The Phaeophyta form a well-marked taxon not very closely related to the other algae. The nature of swarmers suggests that the Phaeophyta possibly arose from flagella unicellular organism. Phaeophyta are often considered parallel to Chlorophyta. A common ancestry of the Phaeophyta with the Chrysophyta has also been suggested considering the similarity of the flagellate cells in both these taxa. The fossil record is hardly useful in determining relationships of the Phaeophyta. Fossils more or less resembling Fucus and other members of Phaeophyta occur in rocks of the early Paleozoic, but they are not well preserved to be placed in any algal texture. The pigmentation of Phaeophyta suggests some common uses are commercially exploited Phaeophyta include those belong to the order Laminariales and Fucales. Recent times Phaeophyta are extensively exploited for the extraction of alginic acid, which is used for deriving alginate. Previously, marine seaweeds of Phaeophyta were used for the extraction of iodine and potash. Apart from alginic acid, agar are also derived from Phaeophyta. Commercially, alginate is used in fabric printing, baking, toothpaste, soap, ice cream, meat preservation. Another uses is in manufacturing of agricultural or horticultural speech. Okay, thanks, my dear students.